If you've been burned by affiliate programs before, this one is for you. You're about to discover the system that's setting a new standard, a complete business model designed to deliver results, remove frustration, and eliminate wasted time.
The last time I spent money on a course that didn't deliver, I almost quit. Honestly, I thought I was done trying to build something on my own. But then I found this system. It flipped everything I thought I knew about affiliate marketing. The difference? This wasn't just a program. It felt like an actual business I could step into.
Stay with us until the end. You'll see exactly how it works, why even beginners are calling it a game changer, and how you can access it today through the link in our description. Here's how this system is redefining affiliate marketing. The Millionaire Partner System was created by Glenn Kosky, a real 8-figure affiliate marketer with over a decade of proven results. If anyone knows how to build success in this space, it's him. And Glenn didn't just stop with what worked for him. He designed a solution that works for you by removing all the complicated barriers. Here's what's inside the system when you join today. 1. Done-for-you bridge pages, pre-built, professional sales pages ready to go live. No need to design or figure out what converts. These pages are optimized to generate income. 2. Automated follow-up emails. Engagement shouldn't be guesswork. The system handles communication with your leads, following up automatically to close sales for you. 3. Weekly lead delivery. Instead of spending hours worrying about traffic, leads are sent directly to your system every single week. 4. Plug-in traffic sources. Glenn didn't just hand you tools. He provides access to targeted traffic sources that are proven to work. 5. High-ticket back-end offers. The system is designed for simplicity, yet it includes premium offers in the back-end to maximize your earnings. 6. 60-day, no questions asked guarantee. There's no risk here. If you're not satisfied, Glenn offers a full refund within 60 days. This isn't a course. It's not a guide. This is a complete running business you can plug into today. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have past experience. Glenn built this system for anyone to succeed.
This wasn't like anything I'd tried before. The assets were done, the tech was done, even the traffic was already built in. It felt like I wasn't starting from scratch for the first time in my life. I wasn't stuck trying to figure out what to write or spending nights tweaking things and hoping they'd work. This system handed it all to me.
Exactly. The simplicity of this system is the innovation. While other programs leave you guessing, this one gives you clarity. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what real people are saying about their results with the Millionaire Partner System. Cameron made over $111 in his first week. Ruth pulled in $978 on her very first day. Victoria, she earned over $2,000 in under 24 hours. Ian went from drowning in debt to building a 7-figure business with this exact model. And Patrick earned a solid $235 within his first hour.
Hearing those numbers, I'll admit, it used to feel impossible. I'd hear testimonials like these before and think, there's got to be a catch. But now I've lived it. Seeing those first commissions show up was surreal. It was confirmation that this system really works. And knowing that it's all backed by a 60-day guarantee, it's huge. I didn't feel like I was taking a gamble. I felt supported.
Those results are real, achievable, and happening every day. This system is built to help you succeed. And if it doesn't deliver, that 60-day no questions asked guarantee removes all the risk. Remember, this isn't just a random program. You're getting everything you need right from the start. Pre-built sales pages, automated email follow-ups, consistent weekly leads delivered straight to you, proven traffic sources, high-ticket offers built in for maximum earning potential, and all of it backed by Glenn Kosky's ironclad guarantee. If it doesn't deliver, you're not stuck. You're protected.
It's the first system I've tried where I didn't feel like I was being left behind. Glenn didn't just give me tools. He gave me an actual partner, someone who had already done the hard part and laid out a roadmap I could follow without second-guessing myself.
That's exactly it. This is more than a product. It's a partnership with proven success behind it. Now, it's time to take action. Your next step is simple. Check the description right now to grab your spot. Through our link, you'll unlock an exclusive bonus toolkit, including the 4 AI Essentials to help you get started faster. And here's something even better. Once you complete the full system, we'll send you our Evergreen toolkit, designed to keep your business running and scaling.
Look, if you're ready to stop guessing, drop in the comments. This system is not another program that's going to disappoint you.
That's right. You're not guessing anymore. You're joining something that works, that's designed for results, and that's backed by real people who've been in your shoes.
This is your moment. Stop spinning your wheels on programs that leave you stranded. Take the step that will actually move you forward. If I could do it, so can you. Check the description and get started today.
We'll see you in the next video, where we reveal even more ways to grow your income with this system. But for now, it's your turn to act. Your future starts in the description below.
You've got this.